Hi everyone, welcome to the zoo, or welcome back. I'm pretty sure today you're going to enjoy what I have to show you. I've got new polishes from AIMEILI nail polish, well the gel polish I should say. They are absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous. You can see right here, two that I've done. These are with the new colors that they sent. This one here, if you'll focus on that and not on the bottles. Hold on a second. It's a grayish blue. It's not showing the blue undertone as much on camera as it is in person, but it's absolutely stunning. I have a lot of grays and I do not have a gray like this. So I just did a marble with that one. This is the original thermal gel polish. This one is not thermal, but this one is. And he is, where is he? Nope, he's not that one. He's this one. TC07. So that's the first one that I ever got. It's absolutely stunning. I'm going to go ahead and stick him in some cold water. Or I should say hot water because duh, he's already cold. Okay, hold on a second. Hopefully my hot water is still hot because I even turned off my air conditioner so it wouldn't like cool off my hot water, but I think it's already done it. See, it turns this beautiful pink. If everything would focus for me. Oh, he turns so fast. Hold on. Come on, little buddy. You can do it. Come on, little buddy. It's beautiful. Beautiful. So that was the original one that they sent me. And then I got the base and the top coat. No cat. Get down. Always got to be a blooper there somewhere. So that was... Where the heck did I put him? Oh, yeah. TC07. Open them back up. Isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeous. It's like a bluey purple. All sorts of different shaped glitters in there. It's beautiful. And then on Thursday, I believe it was, I just happened to open my door and poof, there was another package there. And then that was this beautiful grayish blue. I wish it would show up the more blue that's in there, but I mean, he's stunning. Stunning. You have to put on like 2 to 3 coats because it's very like liquidy, but it's a beautiful product and it's a beautiful color, and you should always do 2 thin coats anyways, so I'm happy with that. So that's that one. And then the new one is this grape color. And if you guys want to see any of these designs that I'm going to be showing you today, just go ahead and put that down in the comments below, which one you'd like to see, and I'll do a tutorial for you guys. Woo, I've got bottles flying everywhere, and you know me with bottles. You okay, you get over there, and you get over there, and you move over there. Alrighty. Yeah, so if you see something here that you really, really like, and you want to see how it's done, just go ahead and leave it down below, and I'll make a video for you guys. So see, this one I put some hollow, and then I did some leaves and some filigree. Isn't it beautiful? That's what it looks like cold. It reminds me of like the Dimetapp grape liquid when you're not feeling well. It's that color, and it's just absolutely stunning. And that's what I have on, let me move these little dudes out of the way, on this hand over here. As you can see, he's that color when he's hot, that beautiful blue, stunning, stunning blue. It's like a bright blue. Oh, it's just so pretty. And then that's when he's hot and that's when he's cold. So see, he's up on my finger there, which if you see top coat all over the place, I'm sorry, but I suck when it comes to doing my non-dominant hand, so we're lucky we got nails on it all. So we got some flowers. We got a French with some just random flowers and leaves. Focus. And I got some purple Swarovskis. He's just so pretty. Pretty, 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 pretty. All right, so I'm gonna bring in the hot water. And hopefully it's still hot. I'm gonna bring my camera up a bit, if it will let me do it. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? Don't mind the burn on my middle finger. I burnt myself. It's gorgeous. Now we're going to stick them in some cold. Look at that. And then side by side, back in the hot. I gotta hurry up and do it because, yeah, like I said, I keep it like Antarctica in my apartment, so. That's stunning. Oh, and that's number TC06. Gorgeous. Let me just wipe off my hand a little bit there. Wipe off my table a little bit. Move them out of the way. Gorgeous. And on this hand, I used that beautiful gray, which is the 089. And this design I got from Nail Coup. So that's where the inspiration for these little guys came from. Aren't they just stinking cute? I put the Model 1's rose gold, okay, down the middle. I gave them opal eyeballs. Little feet. Isn't that the cutest thing you've ever seen? I'm not gonna lie, took a while to do. Not the perfect lines. That actually was like the easiest thing to do, was the perfect lines down the center. But trying to get the cats right, oh. Especially when you're literally like this and you're trying to draw it on, it's like almost impossible. So much easier to do on someone else. Let's focus down here. Move these back out of the way. So yeah, which one do you guys like? I'll bring my camera back down so you can see a bit better. Which design do you guys like better? Let me know. I absolutely love these polishes. They're like so freaking stunning. So thank you, AIMEILI nail polish or gel polish. I keep saying nail polish. I don't know why. I've never said nail polish in my life. So AIMEILI gel polish for sending me this gorgeous gel. What the heck is wrong with my tongue tonight? Okay, once again, that's in the TC06. And then the gorgeous 089. Isn't that pretty? Where's the hot water? Let's put them in hot again. Right? Stunning. Back in the cold. And then this hand with the cute kitty cats. I also have them on a swatch stick if you guys want to see. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? It doesn't even want to focus on it. It's like, no, you're too gorgeous. Look at that. And this is all one coat, except for the blue-gray or gray-blue. Down below, that was 3 coats. But I could have got away with 2. Is that not stunning? They have the same chunky glitters in both. They're exactly the same. So right now they're cold, so let's see if I can... Is that the cold water? Yeah, that's the cold water. Boo, let's not stick them in there. Let's see if I can get both swatches at the same time in the hot water without spilling it all over my desk. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. The very first one, the TC07, seems to have a harder time changing colors. It like goes back so fast. See, and even then he's not like the true pink that he normally is. Look at that blue. Oh. Stick him in the cold. He changes back to cold mighty fast, but he doesn't stay at that beautiful pink very long. Isn't that gorgeous? Stunning. So yeah, all the links to the seller and the website and all that stuff will be down below. Once again, this was the original one that I did, which is in the TC07, which turns a pretty pink. Yeah, any cute. And then this is with the 089. It's beautiful. And then this gorgeous little booger, which is the TC06. This is the new one that they sent. I absolutely freaking love it. Ah, stunning. So yeah, leave your comments down below. Let me know if you want to see any of these nail designs or if you want to see something different done with these polishes. I would be more than happy to do so. I'll show you guys one last time of the cold and hot. So right now he's still, he's hot because he's on my phalange, where the rest of them are more towards the end, except for like the tip right there. So I'm going to stick that in the cold. Oh. No, get down you. I don't know what the cat sees. Must be a bug or something. He's up on my desk. Okay. There, look at that. Stunning. Hopefully it's hot enough to change them. We'll see. Yes, it is. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I must have said that like 50 times now. And then we have the cats. excited. It's so cute. I've never had so much fun with nail polish in my life. Well, with gel polish. I've never had fun with nail polish either, but I mean, I've never literally had this much fun with gel polish before in my life. Oh, it's so much fun. The possibilities are literally endless. Love it, love it, love it. So yeah, that's it for today's review. Once again, this beautiful gray color is the 089 with my beautiful kitty cats. Thank you once again to Nail Coup. And then we have the TC06. And then this one, which was the TC07. All right, so I'll talk to you guys really, really soon. Like I said, go ahead, write down in the comments what you want to see. Do you want to see any one of these designs? Let me know. I'll be more than happy to do so. And don't forget, I still have that giveaway going. It closes this Friday, August 17th. And just, you know, follow the rules. We'll all have some fun. And thanks for coming back to the zoo. Or thank you for coming by for the very first time. If it's your first time and you like it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that like button, the notification bell, and leave a comment, all that good jazz-a-razz. And for my regular family who are always around and supporting me, I love you guys very, very much. Always, always, always. I appreciate you guys so much. I can't even. So yeah, just remember, we always build each other up. We never tear each other down. And shenanigans, because life is too short. And support each other. Give you guys one last view. So cute. All right, see you guys soon. Bye.